Last month, I decided to run a little experiment. Could I cover my $2,700 a month rent just using copywriting and AI? And spoiler alert, I was able to do it in around 3 hours. Now, the reason why I even wanted to do this in the first place is because I wanted to prove without a shadow of a doubt that anybody can make money with copywriting and AI. You don't need past experience. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. And literally just last month, I did 3 interviews with different copywriters who just hit 10K per month. So you know that not only does this work, but it's working right now. And one of the reasons why it works so well is just because of AI, how advanced it's gotten. And it's essentially like having a team of professional copywriters working for you while you collect the cash. So in this video, I'm gonna break down step by step everything that I did to get this quick client and cover my own rent in just a couple hours per day using AI. You're gonna get the exact prompts, the exact templates, the exact resources. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so that you can get all of those. So first and foremost, I wanna take you over the basics of copywriting, the whole business model and how it works. And we're gonna do that by taking a look at what a copywriter even does in the first place by using real world actual examples and not just ideas or theories. So for example, I actually helped this guy lock in a 2.5K retainer for 30 emails per month. And that is more or less the pretty average rate going right now for copywriters. If you want to do daily emails, which is of course around 30 per month, then you can charge somewhere between $2,000, $3,000, or even $4,000 per month for this. And then next is someone else who finally closed an e-commerce client. So he's working for an e-commerce business and he got a $3,000 per month retainer as well. So he's going to be getting paid $3,000 every month just to write 1 email per day. But the best part about copywriting is that, like I said, you can get AI to help you and you can batch write all of these emails within 1 day. And that's exactly what I did. It took me 3 hours to write about 30 different emails. And then finally, someone else who actually got paid $2,000 to write a video sales letter. If you don't know what a video sales letter is, it is literally just a 5 to 10 minute video of a creator or a person explaining a product and why you should buy it. And he got paid $2,000 to write a 10-minute video. That is how powerful copywriting is. I mean, to put that into perspective, I was working 3 different jobs as a security guard, as a guy in the army, and also as a construction worker, and I would barely clear $2,000 per month working 60 to 80 hour weeks. Now, as you can see, the workload here isn't extremely high. So if you're able to juggle a couple of these clients, the income potential is essentially endless. We've had people not only make 10K per month, but make 16K per month, $18,000 per month, and even more. So you know what it is and how it works, but how do you actually go about doing it? How do you find clients in the first place? And then how do you write the copy? Well, first comes actually finding the clients. I'm going to explain that. And then of course, I'll give you everything you need for the copy to essentially just write itself. So first and foremost, there are a couple of main ways, main routes and avenues that you can go about to get your first clients. And they're split up into 3 different categories. You have freelancer websites, you have warm outreach, and then you have cold outreach. Freelancer websites are the ones you already know, places like Upwork and Fiverr. Now, a lot of people say that things like Upwork and Fiverr aren't really good to start on, or you shouldn't even touch them, but that's just not even really true. I've had people actually already get $7,000 deals from Upwork. And the person who got that deal didn't even have to outreach or anything. He just made his profile and then the person approached him on that freelancer platform. Now, obviously not every deal is going to be like that, but another reason as to why freelancer platforms are really good to start on is because you can get small deals really, really quickly. In your first week or 2 starting copywriting, you can actually get your first deals. Sure, they might not be $3,000 per month. What if they're $1,000? What if they're $2,000? I mean, I wouldn't say no to that. Next is warm outreach. This one's really simple and a really easy way to get your first clients as well. This is where you reach out to all the people that you know and ask them if they're looking for anybody who can actually use a marketer. And then you come onto their business and you get testimonials from them. That's the main goal here, is the testimonials, because when you're more proven, it's easier for you to get those and justify those $2,000 to $3,000 per month deals. And then finally is cold outreach to businesses. Now, this is a reliable way to always get clients. And the main way to make this work is to offer them a small deal that's very low risk at first, and then sell them something else later on, like $3,000 per month deal. So look, I know I went over that extremely quickly, but if you want to know every single detail and step to go into getting clients, I created a complete 2-hour outreach course that I'll actually put down below in the description. But essentially on this channel, you're going to be able to see like every single thing that goes into getting clients. And not only that, I'm also going to show you some of the conversations that I've had before in the past, just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea of what outreach even looks like. So I have 2 resources here for you. They're in the copy starter kit linked down below. Also, you can just message me on Instagram if for whatever reason you can't find them, etc. And that is at tyson.scales. Now, right here are the 40 client getting archives. As you can see, this is literally screenshots of me closing clients before in the past, exactly what I've said, how I approached them, and then also some of the people that I've helped get clients, they've sent me the screenshots of them closing clients and making money as well. And all of that is in here. And then if you want this step-by-step like resource on how this actually works, then that is in the free client getting it mastery manual. As you can see, this is almost like a book, 77 pages of exactly how to get clients, what niches to outreach to, etc. But it really is so simple. And if you want the video version of this exact resource, then that is on this channel as well in the free courses that I always upload. And then the next step is going to be your AI email writing system. Now you can use AI to not only write emails, but write any type of copy that you want. Now, one big tip if you're going to be writing copy with AI is to understand the different AI tools. So for example, you might have ChatGPT, and this is a very helpful AI tool, but you also have something like Claude AI. This is a creative writing tool. I would think of ChatGPT more like Google, but Claude is more of what you want to write with because its writing is far more creative than ChatGPT's is going to be. But if you want to organize how you're going to write the copy or come up with some ideas, then ChatGPT is also good for that. Now, if you want, again, the full breakdown and exactly what buttons to press and everything, I have a resource for you. So this is called the AI prompt pack. Essentially, it shows you exactly how to program AI to do everything that you want. So everything you see in yellow right here is actually part of a prompt. So I give it emails that I like. I tell it exactly what to do, what not to do. So for example, if we hop up here, don't use presumptuous statements. Always close loops that you open in the emails. Be choosy in the lead. Read every line and eliminate its, theys, hims, she's, etc. In this way, you are going to be able to essentially use AI to fix any copy that you make, actually create copy for you from scratch, and work with you in order to make these emails better and faster than you ever could yourself. And now, if you want to know the basics of actually writing emails, then I also have another resource called the $3,000 email copywriting tutorial. This is everything from some examples of people to write for, how to actually do research for them and find out what their brand voice is, how to find some really good videos that they've already created, the basics on subject lines, and essentially every single thing you need. Now, again, all of this is also in video form on my channel. I have a free 8-hour copywriting course encompassing literally everything that I'm talking about in this very video, and you can go watch that after this one. And with all those resources, there's literally no reason as to why anyone watching this video cannot start making money with AI copywriting as soon as the next couple of weeks. So if I were you, here's exactly what I would do. 1, I would learn the absolute basics of copywriting. 2, in the next week or 2, I would start outreaching to the people in my network, also build a freelancer platform profile, and then also just start cold outreaching as well, looking for clients. Then once you get clients, even if they're just low paying, you knock it out of the park for them, make them some really good copy, and then use those testimonials in order to get more clients that are going to pay you $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month. Then you utilize AI to actually help you write emails faster and better. You take on some more clients, and there's no reason why in a few months you can't hit already 10K per month. Now, like I said, I have a free 8-hour course going into detail on every single step that there is. You can finish it in one weekend. So if that interests you at all, I'll leave that on the screen now. But everybody, that's it for today. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.